Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of Lakeland Industries. Now, in the midst of the volatility, this stock is performing very well, I would say, as of now, and we have to see how it's going to perform moving forward. So, if I zoom this chart a bit, and we are going to analyze both line and candlestick. So if you are using line chart, you can see a big breakout or a multi-decade breakout has already happened. And if you are using candlestick chart, even though breakout has happened, but right now the stock is retesting its previous support, or I would say the resistance level. As you can see, from 1992 till 2004, and then it has actually made a breakout in 2020, but it is taking support over here, right? So how do we do things in a right manner? Now, first of all, if you are looking at the previous resistance, which was or which is right now is your support 23.54 and $20. So technically one should not go below $20, right? This is the first thing. But if you are looking at the big support level, okay, these are your big support level from where the stock actually moves very big in the past. So if you are using this and applying this as your base support or baseline, if you go forward, let me adjust this line. No, it is fine. Okay, so considering this as your base support, what we have here is this one. So you have multiple support levels, right? You have multiple support levels on the downside, and the main focus, or I would say 60 to 70%, or even sometimes 80% of the focus, at least as far as my analysis is concerned, is focused on the support or finding support or stop loss, because on the upside we can anyhow make the profit, but if we know the downside, it would be very better. So what we have here as far as the big support is concerned, so as I told you, technically one must not go below $20, but as far as your big support lies, you have 18.83, then we have 16.5, you have 12.52, and finally the stop loss of $8. So this is what we have as far as your big support as well as your stop loss is concerned. Now, if somebody is not feeling confident, what one can do, simply take a trade after $24, 23.54 or beyond, if the stock sustains again above this level. Okay, this is conditional move, and you need not to bother about all the volatility on the downside. But because a breakout has happened and right now it is just a retest of the breakout level, and if it sustains, so there are two ways: either you go conditional beyond 23.54, or you find a better support level which will give you a bargain buy. So it will depend upon the investor's choice and what he or she possesses in or his or her mind. Now, the simplest thing to do is, if there is a breakout beyond 23.54, what lies ahead is something like this. Okay, so the big target or multi-year target that we are looking at for the long term, and if it will only be activated if the stock makes a move beyond $24 and sustain above that. So the big target that we are focusing here is in between $400 and $700 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at as far as the long term or big target is concerned. Indeed, this is a very strong chart. There is no doubt about it. It is just struggling and because the market is so lame and it looks curious right now. So once things settle down, and hopefully if it makes a move again beyond 23.54, you have very big levels to look at going forward in the upcoming months and years. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.